Hi, great day again. And in this video, you will learn how to deposit money to your broker account via the cryptocurrency method. Now, there are multiple ways to deposit and withdraw your funds, various methods. But in this example, we're going to use cryptocurrency. So when you log into your HFM back office, you click on menu, then you click on deposit. From the deposit area, you'll have multiple options that you could choose from. You click on cryptos option. From here, you could choose crypto option either A, crypto payments A, or crypto payments B. For this one, we will use crypto A. This scenario, we're going to deposit $77 into this account. You choose the cryptocurrency that you want to use. For this scenario, we'll use USDT TRC20 because it is one of the lightweight cryptocurrencies and you get less fees. So it is actually dollar to dollar as well. When you click on deposit, you will get a code or more or less a wallet address that you could send the money to. From here, you copy the wallet address and from your Binance or whatever wallet you choose to use, you put in the information, you select the right USDT currency pair, and you click next. You put in the total amount, which is $77. And of course, you'll see that there are fees attached to this withdrawal. Now, we're going to click withdraw and slide. Here, you put in the authenticator code. You'll have to download the authenticator app to do so and connect it to your Binance account. So we go to the authenticator code, we copy the code for the Binance, and we paste it here. And that's how you do your deposit. You'll receive an email in about 5 to 10 minutes based on the cryptocurrency pair you choose to use. And this is how you do a deposit via cryptocurrency. There are multiple ways to upload and withdraw your money as well. But for this scenario, we have used cryptocurrency. See you on the next video and happy trading.